No equipment, no problem. Let's get started with a body weight workout circuit. We're going to go squatting first. We're going to do 10 to 20 of each exercise. We're going to do 6 different exercises, and then we're going to go around that circuit 3 times. And you don't need anything apart from you, possibly a mat. If you want to be a bit more comfortable on the floor. Otherwise, all you need is you against you. Do this at home, during the office day. Find a quiet space, just move the body. Okay, let's move into lunges, lateral lunges, so wide stance. We're going to do 5 on each side. Just shift your weight over, keep your knee over the toe, bum comes back. Then swap to the other side, to the left. 5. Okay, come to the side so you can see it from there. Go to the right. 5 lunges on the right. 5, and on the left. Come nice and low, get as low as you can. Try and get that thigh parallel to the floor. 5, okay. Then we're going to stand up, kick through, bring your chest up, and the foot back, so you're raising your knee, coming nice and low. We're going to do 10 on each side. Bring your hands to your knees. 9, 10. Okay, swap legs. Bring that back foot right back, then the knee up to the hands. Try and keep your balance. 5, 5 more. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, great. We're going to the floor, shoulder taps. So take your plank position, then tap, alternating shoulders. Going for 20 of these on each side. 10, so that's 40 in total. 16, 17, 19, 20, halfway. 17, 16, counting down, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Try and keep the hips as still as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come up to standing, the edge of the mat. Going to inchworm out, so walk out into the plank position. Press up. If you need to do that on your knees, fine. Come up, down. Going for 10. Up again. 3. 4. 5. 6. Work the abs as well. Make sure when you come into that plank position, you're nice and straight. Deep press up. Keep your elbows about 45 degrees from the body. Got 2 more press ups. Hands just below the armpits and out to the side when they're on the floor for that press up. Okay, final exercise, star jumps, 20. Okay, great. Now we're going into the beginning of the circuit again. So 20 body weight squats. So come to the side. Keep the back nice and straight. Get the legs to about parallel with the floor. can't do 20, that's okay. Aim for 10 to 20. It's 15, 5 more. Okay, coming up for lateral lunges. So again, wide stance, 5 on each side. Come nice and low, thigh parallel to the floor, chest up. Okay, 5, then 5 on the other side. Again, coming nice and low. Moving as low as you can. 2 more. Okay, back to the other side. 5. 5, okay, swap. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay. Kick throughs. So, foot comes back, reverse lunge, kick through. 10 on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Swap sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, shake it out. We're going to go to shoulder taps. 20, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Okay, straight into the inchworm and press up. 10. Remember, go to your knees if you want to. If the press up is too much, you can work towards it. That's 5. Aiming for between 5 and 10. 10 at the max, 5 at the minimum. That's 7. Comes 8. Back up, keep it nice and fast. 9. Good. Jump up. And we're going to finish this round 20 star jumps. 1. Halfway. 10. Okay. Last round. Let's go for it. Let's go. 10 and 20. 10 to 20 bodyweight squats. Last round. This will really get the blood pumping, the muscles working, the joints, get the fluids working, help your overall health, joint health, bone health, muscle health, cardiovascular health. Just about 10 minutes. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, lateral lunges. Here we go, last round. Nice and low still. Those quads, your thighs should be burning by now. 1 more. Okay, other side. These get tough pretty quickly, especially if you really get low into them. Swap, last 5. Toes pointing forwards. Swap. Breathing now. Nearly there. Okay, good stuff. Right, kick throughs. Let's go, last round. So step back and bring the knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Oh, that's burning. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, shoulder taps. 20. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Last round for inchworms. I'm standing at 10 walkouts and press ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, if you're struggling to keep up, just keep going. Get as many as you can. The time it takes me to do 10, and that's 6. If you're going faster than me, good job. Challenge yourself. 9. Last one. That's 10. Okay, let's finish 20 cell jumps. 1, 5, nice and fast. 10, 12, 20. Good job. All right, well done. Hopefully you feel great after that. Just a great way to get the heart pumping, the blood around the body, improve your cardiorespiratory and cardiovascular systems, get the muscles working, get some endurance training and some lactic acid burning in the thighs. I can feel it now. So that's a great little sprint session just to pick up your day or start your day or end your day. Okay, enjoy. See you next time.